Hello guys and welcome to VoloKin Project. It's your favorite YouTuber Tony here. Today I'm gonna give you a quick unboxing and first impressions of the Smartisan Nord Pro 3. I'm one of the only YouTubers who had 3 Smartisans in their life. I still have the 2S upstairs and I had the R1 recently that I reviewed on my channel. If you're interested in those 2 phones, make sure you check my videos out. I'm gonna be doing a dedicated review and of course a dedicated camera test of this phone, so stay tuned. For now, I'm gonna tell you about the specifications of this phone, why it's very important, at least to me, especially compared to the pricing of the Oneplus Nord, for example. It has very similar, pretty much specifications all across the board, but the difference is that you've got Snapdragon 855 Plus over here on board, guys. So let's give you a tour of this phone. The box is very simplistic, the Smartisan logo over here. And on the box it says 8 GB of RAM. There is a 12 GB option available as well, and 256 gigs of storage. There is 128 gig available as well. Quad camera setup, guys. I'm gonna talk about the cameras a little bit later on in this video. I'm just gonna put the box aside over here for now. Actually, I'm gonna check it over here. And what else? Check this out. Smartisan, guys. Nice. The chances are you're never gonna see anybody with such a phone because they're sold China exclusive, and that's the beauty of them pretty much. I like exclusive phones, guys. Some Chinese stuff, I really have no idea what that is. Some instruction manuals and the SIM pin tool over here. I'm gonna check that to the side and check this out, guys. The pride and joy of the artisan. Nice. Let me peel this thing off. Oh yes, check this out, guys. This is glass over here. This is glass. What's very interesting is that between the white and the green version of this phone, this camera over here is a little bit different, guys. So we've got a very interesting camera setup. The main camera is a Sony one, 48 megapixels. After that, we've got a 13 megapixel ultra wide, telephoto 8 megapixel, macro 5 megapixel, and at the front we've got a 20 megapixel Samsung camera. Let me peel this one off so you can see it, guys. So yeah, this is the front camera over here, 20 megapixels. And one thing I really respect Smartisan for is that they actually publish the official model of the sensors of the cameras used in that phone. Unlike LG, for example, I tried to find this information. It's not anywhere online because they cheaped out on the main lens. I even asked them on Twitter and they didn't want to disclose what is the sensor of the main camera of the V60, guys. So what else do we have in the box, guys? This case, man, check this out. I've never seen this kind of a case before. I really love this pattern design, and when you slap it like that, the phone looks like kind of a photo camera in a way. I really love this case. I'm gonna leave it aside for now. Over here we've got, what do we got over here, guys? Oh yes, 3.5mm adapter cable. Check this out. These lines over here on this cable are really cute. And what else do we have? That's probably our charger, guys. It is a 18-watt charger, and again this pattern continues over here. Really like the uniform design language over here. No hidden compartments inside the box. I'm gonna just take the case out for now and tell you a little bit more about the phone. Check this out. At the bottom we've got a mono speaker, unfortunately no 3.5mm jack. This is metal, by the way. This is metal and it feels very sturdy, guys. This is a programmable programmable button on the side. On top we've got one mic, the antenna lines, and on this side the power button and the volume rockers over here. And pretty much that is it, guys. We've got face unlock on this phone over here. So face unlock on point. Check this out, guys. 100% of the time. The fingerprint reader is under the glass over here. As you can see, it works 100% of the time as well. So what are the rest of the specifications of this phone? We are dealing with 6.4-inch 1080p AMOLED screen, just 60 Hz, but considering we've got Snapdragon 855 Plus inside, you never lack in terms of performance, guys. Let me show you a few screenshots. That's Antutu. As far as you can see, almost 500,000, guys. Absolutely crazy result over here. And that's what you can expect from the gaming. 130 FPS, about 260 FPS in real time. There is no game you're gonna struggle with this phone. And of course, this is the Smartisan user interface, guys, but not to worry, you've got two launchers built in this phone, a very normal launcher, but this is their special launcher, and I really appreciate what they've done over here. It is super simplistic, guys. You've got the settings over here, everything is in white, no dark mode though. That's one of the only disadvantages, but still running Android 9. But not to worry, they issue a regular security patches, so the Android version doesn't really matter in the Artisan or Smartisan OS, whatever it is. So my first impressions, guys, check this out, how small this bezel is over here. Very nice and pocketable, extremely well built. This feels like a proper metal on the side over here, guys. And the fact that you've got three nice colors. I've got the white one over here, you've got a green one, and you've got a black one as well. And couple that with the case, I like what I see over here, guys. Stay tuned for my full review for more details. And lastly, price on their official website from China is about 300 pounds, something like that, 360 bucks or something like that. If you look online or AliExpress, for example, you can get the base version under 300 pounds, guys. And even if you have to pay duty or this and that, it's gonna come to 350 pounds for a Snapdragon 855. This is definitely a go, guys, absolutely a go. And something else, when somebody calls you, this little logo over here lights up just ever so slightly, so you can see it in the dark. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna show you in the full review. So 350 pounds, this is excellent value for money. 4000 milliamp hours of battery inside, definitely a gaming phone with the 1080p screen and the Snapdragon 855 SoC. So forget about the Oneplus Nord, buy the Smartisan, be different. That's at least what I've done. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Again, stay tuned for my full review and the camera test in the very near future. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.